Yemsa Feed Mill Machinery continues to make new projects with the strength it receives from past to today and its inspiration from the future. Here's one of them. 90 tons per hour capacity is the feed mill founded by Yemsa Machinery in Turkey. Raw material quality control unit, raw material intake unit, raw material silos, raw material concrete silos, horizontal warehouses. Concrete silos are connected to the feed factory with the help of chain conveyor and steel bridge. In this way, the raw material is transferred to the dosing silos. Raw materials passes through polygonal screen and magnet for cleaning. The raw material transferred to the silos according to the determined ration is accurately weighed with the dosing scale. All silos have vibro to ensure easy flow. Micro additives come in packages and are manually discharged into the microdosing silos. Microdosing system weighs the additives at the desired rate and formula. Raw materials are crushed by hammer mill. Dust formed in the hammer mill is taken with the help of a jet filter. All raw materials and additives are mixed homogeneously in the mixer. Liquid additives are weighed and added to the system at the mixer stage. Molasses mixer provides a homogeneous mixture of liquid sweeteners so that the feed can become a product. Steam is given in the conditioner stage, allowing the raw material to be optimized. Pellet press provides the production of the feed compressed in the desired thickness and size. With the cooler, the feed coming out of the pellet press is cooled at the desired rate. With the help of a cyclone, the air taken from the cooler is filtered. If requested, pellets are turned into granules. In the next step, pellets and granules are sieved to separate the dusts. Completed pellet feed, mash feed, or granules is stored in finished product silos. Finished product is dispatched as sacks or bulk feed according to the order. All control of the feed factory is carried out by Yemsa Feed Mill Machinery automation system. This factory in Konya, Turkey, is the result of the accumulated experience of the Yemsa Feed Mill Machinery.